Are you looking for a high-quality tech product at the best price? Welcome to our channel. Today, we are reviewing an amazing product that is becoming very popular among buyers around the world. If you're planning to buy a reliable product for your home, office, gaming setup, or professional work, then this video will help you make the right decision. This product is one of the best-selling items in its category and has received many positive reviews from satisfied customers. People love it because of its strong performance, premium design, useful features, and affordable price compared to similar products on the market. One of the biggest advantages of this product is its excellent build quality. It is made with durable materials that are designed to last for a long time. Whether you use it for work, gaming, entertainment, or personal use, it provides stable and reliable performance. Another reason why many buyers choose this product is its smart and user-friendly features. It helps save time, improves your experience, and delivers better results with less effort. This makes it a great choice for both beginners and professional users. If you are someone who always looks for the best value for money, then this product is definitely worth considering. Instead of spending more on expensive alternatives, you can get premium quality and strong performance at a much more reasonable price. If you are interested in buying this product, you can find the product link in the description. You can check the latest price, discounts, buyer reviews, and shipping details. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more honest product reviews every day. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next